Today we studied about thermal engineering. There have some important topics of the thermal engineering, such as the basic concept of thermal engineering, about the IC engines, in which we studies about the different types of IC engines, or the terminologies is used in IC engine, and the four-stroke working of four-stroke and two-stroke engine, and also talk about the petrol cycle and diesel cycle of IC engine. And after we studied about some steam formations, first law of thermodynamics and second law of thermodynamics. In this video, I only tell the basic concepts of thermal engineering. Now, what's the meaning of thermal engineering? Thermal engineering, this is a field of science which deals with the energies passes by a gas and vapor is known as thermodynamics. थर्मोडायनेमिक्स हम क्या समझते हैं जिससे कि एनर्जी पासिस होती है किसके है मदद से या तो गैसेस की मदद से या वेपर्स की मदद से तो उस फील्ड को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं थर्मोडायनेमिक्स. It is also includes the conversion of their energies in terms of heat and mechanical work. क्या कहा इन्होंने कहा कि एनर्जी में जो कन्वर्जन आता है वो हम किसकी मदद से कर रहे हैं या तो हीट की मदद से या मैकेनिकल वर्क की मदद से उस ब्रांच को हम बोल देंगे थर्मल इंजीनियरिंग. आफ्टर देन वी टॉक अबाउट द बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ thermodynamics. In the basic concepts of thermodynamics, first we studied about some units and dimensions of the quantities, such as work, which SI unit is Newton meter, or which, as we know that Newton meters is equals to joule, and its MK unit is kgf meter. The quantity force, which SI unit is Newton, and MK unit is kgf. Quantity distance, which SI unit is meter, and MKS unit is meter, is also meter because MKS is also come in a meter. Heat, which SI unit is joule, and MKS unit is kilocalorie. Quantity power, which SI unit is joule per second, its mean, which is equals to watt, or MKS unit is horsepower. As you know that 1 horsepower equals to 746 watt. Pressure. Pressure SI unit is Newton per meter square, which equals to the Pascal, and MKS unit is kgf per centimeter square. Uh, as we know that the unit is very important term in a field of engineering because there are no work without the units. Now we talk about the second basic concepts of thermodynamics is pressure, which is important, so important. Pressure is defined as a force per unit area. Or pressure is mainly measured by the two devices. We can say that it is manometer and mechanical gauge. Uh, Pressure. There are mainly three types of pressure as follows: absolute pressure, gauge pressure, and vacuum pressure. What's the mean of absolute pressure, gauge pressure, and vacuum pressure? We know that absolute pressure, the actual pressure The actual pressure is measured by the pressure measuring device is called absolute pressure. Or gauge pressure, the pressure above the atmospheric pressure is called the gauge pressure. Vacuum pressure, the pressure below the atmospheric pressure, it's called the vacuum pressure. There is three type of pressure which are many use. Now we come on the system, which is an we can say that it is an import starting of thermal engineering or thermodynamics system. It is known as thermodynamic system, which is broadly defined as a definite area or space where some thermodynamic process is taking place. It is a region where our attention is focused or study a thermodynamic process. हाँ, तो हम सिस्टम से क्या समझ सकते हैं? सिस्टम एक हम बोल सकते हैं सिस्टम एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे हम थर्मोडायनामिक प्रोसेस को परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, वो होता है सिस्टम. बाउंड्रीज, सिस्टम के आसपास जो बाउंड्री होती हैं उसको हम बाउंड्रीज बोलते हैं. थर्मोडायनामिक हैज इट बाउंड्रीज विच पार्टीशन बिटवीन द सिस्टम एंड द बाउंड्रीज, जो पार्टीशन करती है किसके बीच में, सिस्टम और बाउंड्रीज के बीच में, वो होती है बाउंड्रीज. सराउंडिंग, द आउटसाइड ऑफ boundaries are called surrounding, in which you get the system and boundaries. Thank you and subscribe me.